Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, and syempre po, no, don't forget to follow. And sa mga naghahanap po ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo magme-message, okay? Para, yeah, may masabi ninyo kung ano bang concern ninyo. O kung ano ipapahil ninyo kay Kuya Dingsi. Okay, and yes, again, don't forget to follow Kuya Dingsi. Okay, and syempre, sa ating mga evil eye items, all-in-one evil eye bracelet, available in red and black strings. So, ito po yung may initial. Okay, initial po ng magmamayari po, ha? Okay, so, yung isa naman natin is, uy, sorry. Okay, yung isa naman natin is yung walang initial. Okay. And, pareho lang naman sila kung anong meron dito. Meron din dito. Okay, so pinagkaiba lang nila is wala itong initial and this is garterized. Okay, this is adjustable naman po, no? So, pwedeng bata ang magsuot nito. Ibibigay nyo lang yung size ng wrist niya. Okay? And, yun, ito muna. Evil eye ring. So, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable po. No, yung ating evil eye ring. And, okay, ito ating, yan. So, sino ito? Oh, diba? Nawala. Si evil eye necklace. Okay, so, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and meron siyang extender. Okay po. So, ganito siya. Sa malapitan. Okay, yan po. No, may blue stone. Okay. So, kung ireregalo, ibibigay, sabihin po, no, yung pangalan ng pagbibigyan at pagreregaluhan. So, tayo tumungo sa ating granter necklace. So, si granter nakalagay po sa ganitong packaging. Okay. So, again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches po, no? Yung length ng kanyang chain. Okay? So, malapad yung chain niyan. Flat. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa ating pendant, this is acrylic. So, parang meron siyang glass. Okay? Sa likod din. Ganon rin po. No? Okay. So, si granter is made to order. Okay po. Made to order si granter. So, sa mga tawag dyan, nakapag-claim na o nakakuha na ng granter, please, paki-message po yung feedback nyo. Okay? Mga feedback. Alam kong meron. Yes, dahil meron akong nakuha na may nag-grant. Don't forget. Oo, hindi yung may nag-grant na, wala na. Okay. So, syempre, So, tulong rin yan sa mga gusto pa na kumuha, mag-avail ng granter. No, oo. Okay, so sa mga iba pang katanungan, opo, message lang po kayo, no, sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay, so, let's start with air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. So, anong meron? Anong message for air signs? The Empress in reversed. The Seven of Pentacles. Okay. So, ito simple lang na message. Meron ditong parang hindi kikilos, oo. Kasi may aalis. No? May aalis na nanay or tatay. May iwang mga anak sa bahay. Pagdating sa bahay, wala pa rin ginawa si anak. May mapapagalitan. Oo. I don't know, that's so simple. Pero, nakuha ko yung ganong energy. Okay? Yeah, kasi parang hindi alam kung anong gagawin. So, advice ko sa inyo, No, hangga't maaga pa lang, oo, hangga't bata pa yung mga anak nyo, turuan nyo na. Okay, turuan nyo na kasi kayo rin ang magiging responsible dyan eh. Kung, 'di ba? Oh, kung marunong sila ng kanila, wala ka nang masyadong poproblemahin. Okay? Tulong rin sa kanila yan para maging independent. Yeah. Okay? Hindi nakakaawan tingnan yung isang bata na ah, naglilinis. Hindi nakakaawa yun. Okay? Hindi nakakaawan tingnan yung isang batang naguhugas ng sarili niyang pinagkainan. Hindi nakakaawa yun. Okay? Tinuturuan mo yung bata maging responsable. At madadala niya yon hanggang paglaki niya. Yeah. Okay? So, wag niyo i-spoon feed yung inyong mga anak kung sakali. Well, anyway, anak niyo yan. Pero, syempre, di ba? Okay. So, what else? Death. Okay. So, there's changes. There's ending na pwedeng mangyari. Ano tong death? The Page of Swords. Some of you, pwedeng may mababalitaan kayong someone passed away. Mga ganyan. Okay? Anyway, merong mga rumors na matatapos na. Like, mawawala na ng issue. Parang yung mga ganon. Yeah. What else? Some of you, you have here a Scorpio na nag-i-stalk sa'yo. Yeah. You have a stalker, air signs. What else? Okay, Queen of Pentacles. Meron ditong someone na lagi na lang nandyan, always giving something or laging available. May matatapos dyan. May mag-end. Okay? So, ano tong Queen of Pentacles? The Seven of Swords. I am channeling air signs. Okay? I'm seeing here someone na pwedeng I don't know meron ditong energy ng illness. Okay? So, mas maganda ipa-check nyo someone, a mother or father figure. Okay? Meron ditong, pwedeng, I hate this kind of reading, pero para magabayan, pa-check sa doktor, mga ganyan. Okay, I'm seeing here heart illness. Okay, heart illness. Yeah, strength in reverse. So, may tendency na pwedeng maging weak yung pangangatawan, mga ganyan po, no? Anyway. So, yeah, the Hermit in reverse. Someone needs talaga ng guidance ng isang doctor here. Okay, a mother figure or a father figure. Okay? This is deep. This is deep. And I don't know kung open ang lahat ng nanonood pagdating sa ganitong topic. Okay, so yeah, hindi naman ito personal reading, so hindi ko sinasabi lahat. Okay, kasi kapag personal reading, talagang sasabihin ko, no sugar coating. Okay? Kasi syempre, sa dami ng nanonood dito, hindi ko alam kung sino yung sensitive dito. Okay? So, yeah, yun lang ang masabi ko. Someone needs to see a doctor. Okay? So, there. Next. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay. Anong message for fire signs, please? Okay, the Knight of Wands. And the Temperance. Someone is patiently waiting. Oo. Pagdating sa emosyon mo. Okay, yes. Meron ditong naghihintay rin ng sagot. Okay, yung, I don't know, pwedeng meron kayong mga liligawan or pwedeng ikaw liligawan ka. Para mga ganyan. And I think meron ditong something or someone na pwedeng maghihintay ng sagot. Okay? There's a Sagittarius who is interested. Oo, sa'yo. Or pwedeng ikaw, magkaroon ng someone, Sag. Oo. Like, interested sa'yo. Okay, the Six of Wands in reversed. As with that, the Four of Swords. May mga taong pinagkukwentuhan ka behind you. Oo, behind your back. May mga taong nandyan yung may mga hidden motives. Okay? May mga taong gustong i-down ka. May mga taong gustong hindi ka maging successful. Anong meron sa mga to? Six of Wands in reversed. Oh my God. Some of, this person, pwedeng natutulungan mo pa sila. Okay? Pwedeng natutulungan mo itong mga to. Hindi lahat ng natutulungan mo, fire sign, is lahat is parang mabait. Okay? May mga natutulungan ka, pero may nasasabi pa rin sila. Yeah. And hindi mo yun alam. Yes, hindi mo yun, diba? Secrets. The High Priestess. Okay? May mga naiinggit sa'yo actually. Anyway. What else for fire signs? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Some of you needs to take a rest, no? Anong meron dyan? Yeah, the Two of Wands in reversed. Rest. Yan ang naririnig ko, rest. Physically, emotionally, mentally. Kailangan mag-rest. See? The Ten of Wands. This is a burden. Masyado nang may napapagod dito. Yeah. Meron nang nagsasuffer. Meron nang nadidepress dito. Okay? Some of you merong uuwi. The Hermit. Yeah, someone, meron ditong kailangan ng tawag dyan, ng opinion, ng kausap. Okay? Meron ditong, some of you fire signs. May nakikita ko dito na kailangan may makausap kayo, someone na pwedeng magbibigay sa inyo like uplifting something, mga ganyan. Kasi yung energy dito is sobrang pagod. Sobrang pagod na, fire signs. Okay? Kasi parang nakikita ko rito, parang solo nyo, mag-isa lang kayo. Sobrang nakakapagod sa mga commitments. Okay? Kahit konti, kahit konting oras, kahit konting araw, magpahinga ka kung sino ka man. Okay? Kasi kailangan mo rin yun. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. Anong message for water signs? Okay. Kunin ko to. What's this? The Knight of Pentacles. What's with the Knight of Pentacles? Strength. So, meron ditong paghihigpit ng sinturon. Oo. Hindi literal, ha? Okay? May pag-iipon dito, may pagtitipid po na kailangan gawin. Okay? Some of you, meron ditong bigla na lang mag-i-stop sa paggawa ng effort niya. Someone will block. Maybe block you. Or, a Leo. An earth sign. If this is talking about health, meron kayong mga kailangang ilimit. Okay po? Meron kayong mga kailangang ilimit. Yeah, temperance. Balance? Maybe balanced diet. Ang naririnig ko. Okay? What else? For water signs. Someone is waiting. Meron ditong may ego, may pride, wala silang ginagawa. Trying to be patient. Parang mga ganyan. Ewan ko kung anong meron. Okay? Yeah. Some of them, they want to talk. Okay? They want to talk, pero ikaw ang mag-i-initiate. Like that. Someone is, sabihin nating, talagang pinipigilan yung sariling kausapin ka. Yeah. Okay. Ace of Swords. Some of you, this is online transactions. Okay. Legalizations. Mga may pipirmahan. Mga ganyan. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. Water signs. Okay. So we have here Ace of Swords and the Three of Cups. So this is energy of recognition, victory, success. Wow, the Sun, the most happiest energy sa ating tarot deck. Okay. So, yeah, I'm seeing here celebration in general. Okay? So, may chance ng kasal dito, mga ganyan. Okay? Yeah, see, ang ganda. Oh my God. Oh, the Ace of Wands, this is opportunity. A new beginning for some of you. Ang nakikita ko sa iba sa inyo, may chance na parang magkakaroon na ng visa to live sa ibang country, mga ganyan. Okay? Nakita rin ako dito ng pregnancy. Okay? So, there. Yeah, recognition, may mga awardan, merit, mga ganyan. Okay? So, energy rin ng promotion for some of you. Yeah. Proposals, mga ganyan. Okay? So, the High Priestess in reversed. The High Priestess in reverse, the Knight of Swords. Meron ditong pabida. Oo. Anong meron? What's with the High Priestess? Some of you, meron ditong parang awayan or agawan pagdating sa mana. I don't know kung anong mana yan. Okay? Andun yung parang lagi na lang pabida, lagi, yes, an argument or samaan ng loob. Okay? Kasi, oo. Something na hindi na settle down. Yeah, something na hindi na settle. Kung ano man itong hindi na settle, dapat sa tingin ko, kung sa tingin nyo meron kayong mga kailangang isettle nyo. Huwag nating hintayin na magkagulo-gulo pa. Okay? Magkagulo-gulo pa. Kung sino man tong mga to. Yeah. Alam, ang nakukuha kong energy dito, water sign, is yung mga sip-sip. Okay? May mga sip-sip. Sorry sa word, pero yeah. Anyway. So, expect nyo, may ganyan. Yung mga taong sip-sip. Okay? Tapos, nandyan pa yung parang ipapamukha pa kung ano ba yung mga nagawa niya. Someone na parang pabida. May mga ganyan. I don't know kung saang parte yun. Okay? Pero I think some of you, this is family issue. Okay? May energy rin dito ng mga mana. Mga ganyan. Sa akin dapat yun. Kasi ako yung nag-alaga kay ganto, ganyan. Ako dapat yun kasi ako yung bunso. Mga ganon. Anyway. Okay, matagal pa naman yun kasi nakita natin sa future. Okay, nasa ganitong side siya. So, may chance pa na mabago yon. Oo. Marami pa naman panahon. Okay, so next is Earth signs. Okay, some of you, I'm seeing na magkakaroon ng new connection with a fire sign. Sagittarius to be exact. Okay? So, Earth signs, anong meron? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorns. Okay, anong message for you, Earth signs? Okay, yeah, the Knight of Wands. So, may nagkakagusto sa'yo. A fire sign maybe, a younger. What's with that Knight of Wands? The Eight of Cups. So, this person is detached. Or sabihin nating, hindi mo mapapansin na gusto ka. Oo, yeah. See, may age gap dito. Okay? Some of you, itong taong ito is talaga namang interesado sa'yo, attracted sa'yo, pero hindi niya yun ipapakita. Hindi niya yun ipaparamdam. The Eight of Cups is here. They have emotions. Ano tong Knight of Wands na ito? Let's see. See, the moon. Oh my God. Sikreto. Sikretong malupit. Oo. Tago lang to. I think this is like a crush. Oo. May mga nagkaka-crush sa inyo. Yeah, someone younger. Okay? They want to talk. Oo. Pero hindi nila alam kung paano. They don't know how to pursue you. They don't know how to act. Okay, in front of you. Mga ganon. Okay? Younger. Younger earth sign maybe. Pisces, water, fire. Okay, the Seven of Cups. What's with that? So, this is options. May mga pagpili dito, mga earth signs. Okay, the Fool in reverse. Okay, so, avoid ninyo yung ang tawag dyan, pamimili or pagdedesisyon sa pamamagitan ng emosyon. Okay? Yeah, just be practical lang din. Yes. A lot of plans. Iwasan nyo pong tawag dyan, magmadali po ha pagdating sa mga pagdedesisyon. Okay? What's with the Seven of Cups? Yeah, the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you, ikaw itong sobrang busy. Sobrang busy. And, I don't know kung nalilimutan mo na ang sarili mo dahil mas inuuna mo yung iba. Okay? Ina-avoid mo na may mangyaring hindi maganda sa mga nakapaligid sa'yo, kaya inuuna mo sila. Yeah, the Star. You're teaching them, no? Kung paano magre-relay na lang sa'yo habang buhay. Kung sino man yung mga yan. Yeah. What else for earth signs? Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. What's with that Page of Pentacles? Some of you will get a message from someone, okay, from an HR, mga ganyan. Okay? May mga sisimulan. Yeah. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. I think this is energy na may mga maha-hired. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles, this is commitments. Yeah, someone likes you. An earth sign, a younger earth sign. Okay. Yeah, see? I don't know kung nag-uusap kayo ito, parang hindi. Oo, napaka-silent. Okay. Naiinis sa sarili niya, hindi alam kung paano gagawin. I don't know why. Okay, the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles in reverse. Some of you, there's an offer coming in. Okay, na mayroong kaakibat na mga responsibilidad. What's with the Nine of Pentacles in reversed? The Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Okay. Some of you, no, hindi mo kailangan tong parang palagpasin. Kung may darating na ganito in the near future, you have to grab it. You have to welcome this energy, no? Huwag nyo sasayangin. Okay? Yung iba kasi nakikita ko, pwedeng palagpasin to eh. Huwag nyo sayangin. May magandang mangyayari po, oh. The Three of Cups is here. That's victory. Okay? Energy ng victory, energy ng success. Okay? Fruition, mga ganyan. Okay? So, yeah. Huwag kayong panghihinaan ng loob. Huwag kayong panghihinaan ng loob kung ano man to. Okay? Huwag kayong matakot magsimula sa maliit. Parang may ganun eh. Ako narinig. Okay? Ganun naman lagi. Yeah. Yeah, see? The World. The Nine of Cups. This is something great. Oo. Maganda to. Wish fulfillment. May mga magbabago. Wow, I think this is like a 360 degrees changes na pwedeng mangyari in the near future for some of you kung talagang ikaw is magte-take risk dito at magiging, sabihin nating, focus, no? Sa kung ano mang meron dito. Okay, there's an offer coming in for you. Okay, so there, yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.